What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a 2-hour DoorDash shift. It has been unbelievably hard to schedule on DoorDash. I'm trying to start my dash early because it doesn't start until 11. I'm also going to try to extend it. I have another 2 hours this evening, but it's been so hard. Like, tell me if it's like this in your area. It is so hard for me to schedule, and when I can, it's like 30 minutes here, an hour or 2 hours here, and unless it's like 4 in the morning, then I could do that every day. I'm almost guaranteeing that my first order will be from Chick-fil-A, and it is not. It is a Sonic order, but Sonic is right there. $6.75, 5.2 miles, and it's only 2 items, so I don't think there's a hidden tip on that. For that reason, I'm out. I'm gonna have to decline that. This is new. Hold on. Where it showed you the names of the places, see these orange areas? Like it's Starbucks, Chick-fil-A. Are you seeing this new update? Because that is a game changer. I've been wanting them to do this 2 years ago when I started doing DoorDash, but I mean, you know, anytime is a good time. As soon as I started driving, I got a $7 order. I think it was like 2 point something miles. It's at not Jimmy John. It came out to be the $7. And while I was getting that Jersey Mike's order, I do get it to my Fitbit. It will say like go to Jersey Mike's. And that reminded me of a glitch that DoorDash was having for the past 2 days. And I seen Kim's Side Money Plans post it on her YouTube feed, and I was like, that's never happened to me. And then I wake up the next day and I got like 4 notifications: go to McDonald's, go to this place. And I'm like, okay, maybe the glitch was happening to me. So has that happened to you? Like, all right, this is a good order. Wawa, 1.9 miles, $6.50. It could go up. It's only 2 items though, so it might not go up, but the miles per pay, we're already here.
Requested you leave the order at their door. They added the following instructions. Leave at my door.
And it is starting to rain. Let's see if this was $6.50 or it was higher. Let's see. It was the $6.50 offered with a $4 tip. All right, I just picked up this order. It was already ready. It is a wait-in-car order though, and it is, you know, starting to rain. Like, it's starting to rain. So you're gonna meet me out in the car. I mean, that's kind of you that I don't have to get out, but also like, that's my job. I'd rather you stay dry and let me get wet. All right, I'm getting a McDonald's order, 2.8 miles, $6.50. It is 7 items, so I do think there is a small chance that that $6.50 will have a hidden tip on it. This one is a leave at door. Please leave inside of front door screen on top of boxes. Okay. Never have I ever had to put the food on top of boxes like that. It came out to be $7.50, which was $1 more than what I was offered with a $5 tip. And I know it's super important to schedule a dash because I used to just wing it when I was multi-apping and I could turn Uber Eats on whenever, but now that I just have DoorDash, the one app, I have to schedule. Like, it is so important because rarely can I come out here and just Dash Now is available, you know. So before it downpours, I guess I'm gonna take this last order. $6.50 for 2.8 miles. It is pizza and it's 3 items, so that $6.50 does look appealing to have a hidden tip. It's right across the street. Let's just go pick it up. All right, so it's 2 pizzas in my hot bag and some Aquafina action to wash it all down. Alright, that order came out to be $12. Technically, I have 5 minutes left in my dash, so it's not like kicking me off yet. I can't extend it, but it's not kicking me off. So maybe in the next 5 minutes, I'll get an order. Alright, so I did end this rain. Let me turn my windshield wipers off for you guys. So I did end up hitting the $40. My 2-hour dash is done. I do have another one scheduled later, but like it's storming, and later it's like 100% chance of rain. So this might be it. I have a flex scheduled for the morning. I'm excited to do that. I don't know. Let me know if it's been like this for you, where it is so hard for me to schedule on DoorDash. Like literally hours throughout the day I could schedule. 30 minutes here, 1 hour, 2 hours here. Is it like that for you? Or is it just because I'm not a top dasher? Is that a perk? Is that another reason y'all are going to be telling me that I should become a top dasher? I upload every Friday and Tuesday, and if I feel up to it, I go live on Sundays. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!